Did you know that the contraction of the Arc du Triomphe in Paris was commissioned by Napoleon and was intended to honor the great French army? However, he was not able to see the finished arch. There are 284 steep steps to climb if you want to reach the top of the arch. The design of arch is inspired by the Arch of Titus in Rome, and 4 pillars the Arc du Triomphe showcase individual sculptural works. Because of the grand scale of the monument, many artists had to be brought in over the years to bring the structure into completion, and was the largest arch dedicated to triumph on planet Earth until 1982. The most famous attraction at the Arc de Triomphe is its eternal flame, which was lit in November 1923 and has not been extinguished. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.